channel, guys. This is Shane's Kitchen, and now I'm planning to do a diet because I'm gaining weight. So I was doing this since a year ago, but I stopped because it's kind of, for me, it's getting lazy. So now I'm going back again to this kind of breakfast or dinner. So here I will make a chia pudding, and I will use coconut milk. Actually, coconut milk is much better than almond milk because it's, you know, the seeds, when you soak in a coconut milk, it pops up easily and very quick, and it's really nice texture. Unlike the almond milk, it takes a long time to, you know, to soften the seeds. And I use this mug, and for the proportion, I use half of the almond milk here, okay, half a glass of almond milk, and 2 teaspoons of chia seeds here. So this is organic, and I add some of these too, like the flax, chia, and coconut, and omega-3 protein, good source of fiber. And I get this from her, and it's also organic. So I add 1 teaspoon also of this one here. You know, I don't want to be perfect, but that's really a healthy diet. And so after this, I stir this one here. Stir until it dissolves evenly. So you can see it's really turning so quick. Okay. And I also want to add, you know, my secret anti-aging. It's a collagen, you know. It helps us to freeze from aging quickly, I think. So there's already a measuring spoon inside here, so I just add this one here. Okay, and again stir. Look at the texture. You see? Okay, sorry. So I have this also I have this okay, so now since I already dissolve and mix my chia seeds, I usually put fresh fruits like strawberry and blueberries and banana, but I don't have banana, so these two will work very well. Well, if you have no fruits like this in the Philippines or wherever you are, you can use any fruits you like, or you can eat by itself. It tastes really good. And yes, okay, so I actually have a finished product which I already made earlier. So to make the video short, this is now, you know, the chia seeds, which is I think like 2 hours in the fridge already with some almond milk. So now you can actually put this in a bowl. See, look at this, look at the texture. See, it looks like this when you eat. It's really like a real pudding, right? So I eat this in the morning or dinner, and I add this strawberry here, blueberry around here, strawberry again. You can do whatever you want, and be sure to be pleasing in the eyes when you eat, you know. If you're not get used to eat of this kind of fruits and kind of chia seeds and whatever, you feel like, you know, you feel gagged because it's like gluey and something like not really good to the palate. So this is now my finished product, and you can actually put this in the fridge for a week if you don't like to eat like every day, and you can put also in the freezer. And what I did is like put this cup here and put in the freezer for a week, and then, like, you know, like you can make it 5 days, a box of this, so you can eat every morning or whatever time you want to eat. But now this is my dinner, so I have to eat it. And then here comes my chia pudding. I hope you enjoy and keep watching my videos, and I will make more videos that you might like. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.